Hello guys, it's me again, Ammar, and I'm back with another video. This video is gonna be about this CableMod replacement kit. Basically, these are for the Asus and the Seasonic power supplies. So we're gonna unbox them together, and after that we're gonna take the extensions out. The extensions, by the way, are by CableMods as well. So I'm gonna take them all out and install those new replacement kit, and we'll see how it goes from there. So yeah, before we jump into this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, there are 3 PCIe cables. 2 of them are 8-pin and 1 of them is a 6-pin. And this one is the data cable for the SATA. And this one is the Molex. And another SATA cable. And those 2 cables are the EPS connectors for the motherboard. And this one is the 24-pin. And it's missing a cable, but that's totally fine, it's normal. And just look how good that bend is. Alright guys, so I'm back after this quick b-rolls. Anyways, I will leave the Amazon affiliate links down in the video description. If you guys are interested in picking one up, feel free to check the video description. So I'm gonna talk about the pros and cons about this particular kit that I'm using. Basically, I only got one con for this kit, which is the 24-pin cable. The 24-pin cable is a little bit short for my liking. Like, I managed to route the 24-pin cable just fine, but if you have a bigger case or something, then you might need to check the configurator in CableMod.com, basically. And basically, I didn't find any other cons for this kit. And for the pros, basically, those cables are really thick, and they do give this nice pop to your rig. So basically, if you have a modular power supply, you can pick the replacement kit just fine. Just make sure it's compatible with your power supply. And second of all, if you have a semi-modular power supply, you can pick the extensions, by the way. And the extensions does work with every single power supply on the market, as far as I know. And third of all, it will give that customized look into your rig. So basically, yeah, that will conclude this video. It's a really nice quality cables, and they are thick. And the only con that I found is the 24-pin is a little bit shorter for my liking. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.